Class 9th NCERT Math exercise number 8. This is the explanation of chapter 8. In the previous class we have discussed about the introduction of the parallelogram. Now अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पैरेललोग्राम के प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. The first properties of the parallelogram are opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal and parallel. Suppose this is ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram in which opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel and equal. Opposite sides, it means AB parallel to CD or AB equal to CD and BC parallel to AD or BC also equal to AD. This is the opposite side. Pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. It means we can say here AB parallel to, this is the symbol of parallel, AB parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD and BC parallel to AD, BC parallel to AD and BC also equal to AD. This is the first property of the parallelogram. This is the most important and common property for the parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. This side parallel to this side and AB also is equal to CD. Similarly, opposite pair, this side BC parallel to AD and BC also equal to AD. This is most important and common property for the parallelogram. The reverse of this property is if in a quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel and equal, then we can say that the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Reverse of property 1. What is the property 1? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. The reverse of the property 1 is if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal or parallel. Either it may be the equal, then we can say that the quadrilateral is parallelogram, or if the opposite pair of sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. क्या हो गया इसका मतलब, यदि किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल में, सपोज दिस इज ए बी सी डी इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, इसमें कि अपोजिट साइड यदि पैरेलल है, दिस पैरेलल टू दिस एंड दिस पैरेलल टू दिस, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं कि ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या होगा, हमारा पैरेललोग्राम होगा. और यदि अपोजिट साइड्स यदि पैरेलल है, ए बी पैरेलल टू सी डी, बी सी पैरेलल टू AD, then we can say that the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. तो इसमें क्या आ गया, दोनों स्टेटमेंट हमारा क्या है, इसके लिए प्रूव्ड है. अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. In a parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. Next property is second properties of the parallelogram. Diagonals of the parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangle. Diagonal, this is the diagonal, AC is the diagonal or BD is the other diagonal. In a quadrilateral there are two diagonals. In a quadrilateral there are two diagonals, so we can say that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangle. In this figure AC is the diagonal. In this figure AC is the one diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD and BD is also the diagonal, other diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD. So we want to prove it. ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the symbol of parallel, and GM whole it is called as the parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to CD and AB also equal to CD. BC parallel to DA, BC parallel to DA, and BC also is equal to DA. It is from the first property of the parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal and parallel. This is the opposite side. This is equal to this and this parallel to this. This is equal to this and this parallel to this. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. So we want to prove the diagonal AC bisects the parallelogram ABCD into two equal triangle or two congruent triangle. So from triangle ABC in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, ABC and CDA in both the triangle. Okay, here AB is equal to CD given from the properties of the parallelogram, and BC is equal to DA, BC is equal to DA, it is also given, and AC is equal to CA, it is the common side. So we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA by SS congruency rule. By SS congruency rule, it is congruent. If it is congruent, then it is proved that the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangle or two congruent triangle. If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. It means we can say angle D is equal to angle B. Here angle B is equal to angle D by CPCT. And we can also say that this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle, or from the CPCT, and this angle is equal to this angle, BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, it is also by CPCT, and angle BCA is equal to angle DAC by CPCT. And the reverse of this property also true for the parallelogram. What is the property of second property? Diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangle, or we can say that the reverse of this property in a quadrilateral. If the diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two congruent triangle, then it is a parallelogram. The reverse of this theorem is if The diagonals of a quadrilateral divides the quadrilateral into two congruent triangle. Diagonals of the quadrilateral, if the diagonals of the quadrilateral divides the quadrilateral into two congruent triangle, then we can say that the quadrilateral is parallelogram. This is the reverse of property 2. This is the reverse of property 2. Now from here, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. So we can say here the opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल. यदि हम लोग क्या करते, यदि इसको बी डी को ज्वाइन कर देते डायगोनल बी डी को, तो क्या हो जाता, एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी. यदि अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे ए सी को ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं तो क्या हो गया हमारा एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी. एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी यदि हम लोग ए सी को ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं. यदि हम लोग बी डी को ज्वाइन किए होते तो क्या हो जाता हमारा एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी. सो सिमिलरली we can write here opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle C. This is the opposite angle of a parallelogram. Opposite angle means आमने सामने का एंगल. A के सामने वाला एंगल कौन सा है, एंगल C, और एंगल B के सामने वाला एंगल कौन सा है, एंगल D. So we can say that opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. So I am writing here angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. This is the opposite angle of the parallelogram are equal. Reverse of this theorem is also true. Reverse, what is the reverse of this theorem? If in a quadrilateral opposite angle are equal, if in a quadrilateral opposite angles are equal, then we can say that the quadrilateral are parallelogram. यदि किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल में, सपोज दिस इज द क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, और इसमें क्या होता है, यदि अपोजिट एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी और एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी, तो हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It means there are two diagonals, AC and BD are the two diagonals of the parallelogram ABCD, and we have to prove that the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other. It means we have to prove that OD, this is equal to this, OD is equal to OB, and OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. This line parallel to this line and this line also is equal to this line. This line parallel to this line and this line is also equal to this line. It is given. Why it is given? Because it is the parallelogram. So opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel and equal. Now we have to prove that OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. So from these two triangle OAD or AOD, in triangle AOD and triangle COB, what is given? Side AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. Opposite sides of the parallelogram. Reason is opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. This one and this one are the opposite sides of the parallelogram, and in this triangle this angle is equal to this angle. Why it is this angle is equal to this angle? Because it is the alternate interior angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Both are the alternate interior angle. So we can say angle OAD, angle OAD is equal to angle OCB, alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. Same reason. This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say that both the triangle are congruent by angle side angle congruency theorem. Angle side angle congruency theorem. So we can say here, so triangle AOD congruent to triangle COB by angle side angle rule, and the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. What are the corresponding part? If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB, OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB by CPCT. Both are by the CPCT. So we can say here, hence the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. The reverse of the theorem, the reverse of the property number 4 is also true. The property of the property number 4 is the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, or reverse of the property, this property is if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then we can say that the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Reverse of the property 4, in a quadrilateral diagonal bisect each other, then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. This is all about the quadrilateral. आप इसे शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कमेंट करें, अच्छे से अच्छे कमेंट करें, और अपने इससे फ्रेंड ग्रुप में, स्टडी ग्रुप में अपने दोस्तों के बीच इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.